Cherry blossom warning. Spring warning. Don't skip the high pressure switch check. Warning: cherry blossom. Before Houston heat ramps up, check the high pressure switch on your AC. It protects your system from damage. As temperatures rise, your AC runs longer. High pressure switches help prevent breakdowns. Fire. Common causes of high pressure: dirty condenser coil, fan issues, overcharged system, restricted airflow. Warning signs of a high pressure issue include AC shuts off unexpectedly, weak cooling, and error codes. Toolbox. During a spring checkup, we inspect airflow, coil condition, fan operation, and safety switches. Outgoing mail message: Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning to schedule your spring AC checkup before the heat hits. Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning, your partner in keeping cool this spring.